Welcome to the instructions video for the inverse kinematics calculator for 2-link and 3-link robot arms. In this video, we will show you how to use this tool to calculate the joint angles needed to position your robot arm at any target location. This calculator solves the inverse kinematics problem for articulated robot arms. You enter the length of each link in your robot arm, then specify the target X and Y coordinates where you want the end effector to reach. For 3-link arms, you can also set the desired end effector orientation angle. The calculator applies the law of cosine's formula. Cosine of θ2 equals x squared plus y squared minus L1 squared minus L2 squared, divided by 2 times L1 times L2. It then calculates θ1 using arctangent functions. The results give you the exact joint angles in degrees needed for each motor to achieve your target position. Find this and all 327 engineering calculators on our website. Visit us to access every tool completely free.